Hello, today we will guide you through how to enter discount codes on Gumroad. In this walkthrough, we'll show you how to create a discount code inside your Gumroad account using the checkout settings. This is useful when you want to offer a promotion for a specific product and make the buying process easier for your customers. To begin, go to Gumroad and sign into your account if you are not already logged in. Once you're on your dashboard, take a moment to make sure you're in the correct workspace or account, especially if you manage more than one product. From the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Checkout. This section contains the tools related to purchasing, promotions, and customer-facing payment settings. After opening Checkout, you'll be able to access your discount options. Next, go to the top right of the page and click on New Discount. This opens the setup area where you can create a new code. If you already have existing discounts, this is where they are usually listed as well, so creating a new one from here helps keep everything organized. You'll now be asked to enter a name. Add a clear sample name for the discount. The name is typically helpful for your own reference, so it's a good idea to choose something that makes the promotion easy to recognize later. For example, you might use a label based on the campaign or season, as long as it makes sense to you. After that, enter the discount code itself. This is the code customers will use during checkout, so make sure it's typed carefully and easy to read. Keeping it simple can reduce confusion and make it easier to share in emails, social posts, or promotional messages. Next, select the sample product from the Products section. This step is important because it determines which item the discount will apply to. Be sure to choose the correct product before moving on, especially if you sell multiple items in your Gumroad store. Once everything is filled out and selected, click on Create Discount at the top right. This saves your new discount code and makes it available for use according to the settings you've chosen. After creating it, it's always a good idea to quickly review the discount in your list to confirm the name, code, and product are correct. That way you can avoid issues before sharing it with customers. And that's it. You've successfully created a discount code on Gumroad.